Hello, my name is Krishniteja Veturi and my net ID is XZ5486. This is the video tutorial for Project 2. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain about the Facebook application in which I've used Google App Engine as for storing the data. First, I'm going to open developers.facebook.com. So I need to open my application. Okay, and this you need to go to settings. Oh, okay, in this you need to go to settings, and here we go. And the settings, oh, it's taking much long time. Okay, in the settings you can see there's a canvas page. Okay, in the settings I've given the URL which is generated by the Google App Engine. When you deploy it in the Google App Engine, it gives a URL. So this URL you're supposed to put it in the canvas URL in the Facebook developers page. And the same URL you're supposed to give even for the secure canvas URL over here. So this what Facebook does is by using this URL, it can retrieve data from Google App Engine. Now I'm going to show you my application running in Facebook. So for that I need to open the Facebook and go to my account. Okay, the internet is pretty slow. Okay, here we go. And this mobile I'm sorry, the internet is pretty slow. I don't know what's wrong with internet. It's not coming. Okay, this is my application, mobile ref. I'm really sorry guys, the internet is very slow. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. This is the starting page of my application. When you click the login button, and here it will go directly into my application. So this button over here uses the Facebook login ID and password as a credential. So if it satisfies, then it will go into the application. So click that, you get this pop-up window. Okay, so this is the starting page of my application. In this we have a mobile review button. So when you click this, you'll get all the reviews of my mobile, latest reviews. And this is write a review, and in here you're gonna write reviews, and these are, and then when you hit the submit button, those reviews are gonna store in GAE, Google App Engine. First let us see. These are the reviews which are fetched from Google App Engine. So these reviews are stored in Google App Engine right now. The data is in the Google App Engine database. So from that database, it's been fetched, and you can see data and the Facebook applications which I'm using right now. And the next thing I'm going to show you is okay, I want to talk about the problem which I faced in this application. The thing is dynamically storing the data is the biggest issue I've had in this application. Whenever user types the mobile name like I phone, our model is 6. Okay, nice phone, and hits the submit button. It has to be stored in the database dynamically. So dynamically, as in a user can give many reviews as he likes on different mobile. So all these reviews are supposed to be stored in the database. So this couldn't happen, so I just used some static data. I just put the static data in the database and retrieved that data from the database. Okay, next thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to go to the Google appengine.google.com, and here I'm going to show you my application is running. Okay, here is my application has been loaded into this Google App Engine, and here's the usage of my app, and here's the summary. It shows the errors, total errors, and total requests and all. So basically these are the files of my application. And what else we've got? Data storage usage info. Okay, data storage viewer. So these are the data. Whenever in my application I've used the static data, all the static data by using entities. So whenever I do that, all this data will be stored in this Google App Engine in this data viewer place. So you can see all this model, phone, and review. So all these things are stored in here. So from here, this data is being fetched in the Facebook application using the URL. Okay, usage. And so what I've learned, first of all, I've learned many things while developing the application in Facebook, project 1, project 2. The thing is, I didn't know the Facebook can also use different data storages or different servers like Google App Engine, that thing. And I've learned a lot from even while developing this code, like putting the entities in the Google App Engine. That's the thing, and that's it. And thank you, and have a nice day.